Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my life for iron. Today I'm going to talk about the lens, Samyang 35mm lens. After 2 days of use, I have to say that I'm falling in love with this lens. It's beautiful. It makes shooting anything so much more fun. I have total control of this lens with a full manual focus ring, aperture ring. Although the focus ring is a little bit too long to my taste, like I have to turn it like this when I focus stuff. My hand is going to awkward position. If it has just a little bit shorter travel distance, it will be very comfortable for me to do run and gun. But I understand that this lens is not meant for run and gun. It's a Cine lens. It's supposed to sit on a tripod and shoot a very delicate designed scene. From this lens, I can get really nice bokeh. When I shoot random stuff on the street, I can always separate my foreground, like somebody is walking by and some people in the back. I don't know, you can just pull the focus from the front to the back or from the back to the front, and you see beautiful bokeh transition. And that's amazing. It adds some very interesting elements into my videos that I didn't have before. I had lenses that could create beautiful bokeh like this, but they are not wide angle like this. And I have the Sigma 16mm f1.4, but that is a little bit too wide for this kind of work. And then 50mm and 85mm are then a little bit too tight. Technically I could use those, but it's too tight. When you change the focus from foreground to background, and you don't really see the foreground, you don't understand what's going on, it's blocked. So 35mm is just right to do this kind of stuff. The transition is just perfect. It's really nice. Although it is a little bit difficult to find the perfect focus when I'm at t1.5, the maximum aperture. The depth of field is really shallow, so it's very difficult to find exact point of the focus, especially since it's a full menu. I had to use focus magnification many times. Even if I use magnification, I wasn't sure with the peaking. Like I wasn't sure if is this the maximum peaking, and then I turn a little bit over, and then oh no, the peaking is fading away. Then I turn it back. So you see a lot of my videos, it haunts. Like I go over the focus point and then come back because I wasn't sure where was the perfect focus point. But I think after practice I can get better. I can get a sense of where it is the peak. Like where should I stop turning the focus point. That's the first update on this lens. It's really awesome. I'm gonna shoot more, of course. Next, to improve my video quality, I just subscribed to Epidemic to get more awesome music, copyright-free, royalty-free music. I really need some better music on my videos because I use all the same music for all my videos again and again and again, and it's really boring. Most of the music from YouTube library are really not that good, really mediocre. So we gotta find a way to get a better music, right? I've looked into Artlist because Artlist has been bombarding me with their advertisements on YouTube. So I checked that out, but you have to pay $199 annual fee in advance. So I don't have that much money right now, so I'm gonna try other services. Even though I like the music on the Artlist, so I looked into it a little bit more and found out Epidemic, and I think it's pretty good. You have 30 days free trial, so I got that, and we're gonna try that out, and we're gonna download a bunch of music and gonna put in this video as well, as you have already seen probably. And what do you think? And I'm gonna try to edit the video according to the music next time when I shoot something. So stay tuned. Very excited. Ha 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 ha. That's it, my friends. That's it for today's not a vlog, and thanks for watching. Hope you liked the footage. See you next time.